Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use the fix mode to set decimal places and round results on the Casio fx-83GT X Classwiz calculator. To do this, we'll use the Shift key that looks like this, located here, the menu setup key that looks like this, located here, and the S to D or conversion key that looks like this, located here. In regular mode on this calculator, if we do an equation like 1 divided by 8, we might get a fraction like this, 1 over 8, which, if we convert to decimals, would be 0.125. But what if we wanted this answer to 2 decimal places? Well, we can actually set our calculator to give us that as a result. To do this, we press Shift, then the menu key. That brings us to this screen. We choose number 3, number format, which brings us here. And we choose number 1, fix, which allows us to set the number of decimals we see. So we press 1, and then since we wanted this set to 2 decimals, we press 2. Now you'll see the word fix at the top of your screen. That lets you know this calculator is rounding to a set number of decimals. So be aware of that if you're getting an answer that doesn't quite match up when you're trying to do a normal calculation. Now if we go 1 divided by 8, again we get that fraction, which if we convert it to decimals is now 0.13, because that 2 has been rounded up to a 3 by the 5 there. Let's look at another example. Let's say we were given this. Well, if we're rounding that to 2 decimal places, like we did before, since we're already set to 2 decimal places, we can just enter the number. And see it rounds up to 1.12, because that 1, again, has been rounded up. But if we only want that to 1 decimal place, again, we can go back to the menu, 3 for number format, 1 for fix, and then it's asking us how many decimal places. Again, we only want 1, so we'll press 1 here. And now if we press equals here, we see that changes to 1.1, because the first 1 in the decimal does not round up. So there's our answer to 1 decimal place. Once we're done using this and want to go back to the normal mode where we see all decimals, you do that by pressing Shift, menu again, going back to number 3 for number format, and then you want to select number 3 here, norm mode. It'll ask you to select norm 1 or norm 2. Typically you want number 2. So we'll press 2. And now you see the word fix has disappeared from the top of our screen. And if we press equals here, we get all of our decimals. Alright, I hope this helps. And good luck on those tests out there, everybody.